Hi guys, today we're going to make some curry chicken and I'm trying this Jamaican chives curry for the first time and I'll let you know if it's good or not. Let's get into this video guys. So I'm going to add my Maggi all-purpose seasoning along with some Maggi chicken seasoning, some Slappy Mama seasoning, garlic powder, some curry powder, some crushed garlic and pimento seed, and some onions, if you're afraid of peppers, stay away from the pepper seed. We'll rub this in. Normally would I add some turmeric to it, but I'm not adding to it because I just want to get the full taste of this curry powder. I'm not mixing it with anything at all. Honestly, I just want to load it up good, and then I'm going to leave it for marinate.